Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up like button ASAP for the YouTube algorithm. Man, we got some interesting things to get into today for Shiba Inu coin investors, those that are holding Shiba Inu. Man, this is something that I've been waiting to see for a while. We'll get into it a little later in the video. We'll do some quick updates on some TA and as well as some sentiment analysis and just see what the psychology of the market is looking like. So congratulations to K-Rock, one of my students, hit $3 million. I shared that story on my Facebook page, my Twitter page, as well as my Instagram page as well. Y'all can check that out. Also, I have another one of my students. Where's the post at? I want to show y'all the actual post because, you know, this was a very inspiring story today for a lot of people that, you know, seen this. So let's see. Okay, so shout out to bro. Let me turn this on real quick.
Shout out first and foremost to God, but also to DecemberDeMarco. I've been following him for about a month and a half, 2 months, and I made a good amount of profits on Shib and Saitama and things like that. And the first thing I did when I made them profits was buy his class. And if you can see, I'm literally, you know, doing this right now from a folding table and chairs. Like, I bought a house. I don't even have an air mattress. So like the ease of access of his class and the things that I can learn and just sit here and make money while I wait for my furniture and stuff like that. It's been really good, man. I'm glad I made that investment, and you know, a lot of people don't know I was homeless for like the last 9 months, so I was dealing with some things with PTSD and stuff like that. But man, big shout out to December. I'm looking forward to making profits with you and everyone in this group and on YouTube, man. Have a good day.
Man, shout out to my bro Dustin. This was a super inspiring, you know, humble video for him to share this. Like I said, so raw with everybody. You know, like he said, he was in just 2 months, you know, under 2 months, he was able to make $20,000 coming from a point of battling PTSD, you know, homelessness, you know, and just staying down for the come up and becoming a better informed investor to the point where, you know, things are, you know, looking a lot brighter for bro. And that's just, you know, what you got to remember. Everybody goes through tough times. You know, there's not a person on this earth that is, you know, old enough that hasn't experienced, you know, some tough period in their life. So you just got to keep pushing through that time, you know, continue to work. Don't just think things will come to you. You have to take the initiative, you know, to grind it out and, you know, learn new things so that way you have new options. And that's what bro did right here. So salute to bro. Appreciate you for making this happen and also sharing, you know, your testimony with others so that way other people know that, you know, financial freedom is real. It's something that we know we can all work towards. You know, it's not something that happens overnight, but you know, you keep working for it, you will eventually make it there. So I want to share that story with y'all. Sorry if it was a little long for some of y'all, but y'all can skip past that part if you wanted to. But I think, you know, it's very important to see, you know, the success stories that are coming out of what we're building. Like when I first started this group, Private Stock Market Game, I told you, I said, it's our turn. And that's what I meant by this. You know, it's our turn to experience, you know, the financial, you know, freedom, you know, of being, you know, the learning financial literacy to be able to experience financial freedom. So that's what it's about here. You know, let's share this information with as much people as possible, those that we care about. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco as well as on Instagram. Please be aware there are a few fake accounts on Instagram pretending to be me. My real Instagram is at DecemberDeMarco, the same way you see right here, at DecemberDeMarco. Be careful. There are fake accounts that are putting 2 R's in the DeMarco, 2 C's in the DeMarco. There's a fake account using a dot in the middle. There's a fake account using underscores before the December, in the middle of the 2 words and afterwards. So please just be careful, y'all. Look in the description section of this video for my official channel, for my official contact links. So here I was already, you know, cruising around the chart seeing what we had. So I ended up on the 1 hour chart. After throwing up my Fibonacci, let's go back to the daily chart, see what we got here on the Fibonacci. On the daily chart, we're holding that 61.8% range beautifully. Nice support, making higher lows off of that support, which shows that, you know, buyers are pushing the price up. Sellers are becoming exhausted, you know, and remember this, that, you know, the market can remain irrational. longer than you can remain solvent. So I think that's some of what we're seeing right here, with some of this sideways trading and, this continuous, downtrend that we're seeing, the price being pushed down by sellers and, seeing it being pushed up to this resistance line of our 50% range of that 55.89 level, then being pushed right back down to, our 61.8% range of 48%. Or 48.12, excuse me. So right now, that's them tiring investors out, trying to exhaust investors. So let's look for a more closer look on a 1 hour chart and see what is actually happening here. So we can see we found support still along the same range right there, but now we can get a closer look at which range, where we are trading in between. So notice we had our swing low here, had some resistance at our 38.2% range. So we want to retest that area. We want to go back up there. But, the price keeps getting pushed down. Sellers, manipulators, whales, whoever those actors are, short sellers. KuCoin put out that major campaign or a $15,000 competition to basically push the price down on Shib, because they're making money when Shib goes down as well. Do y'all understand that? Let me know. Do y'all understand that what short selling is? And do y'all understand that people are making money by betting that Shiba Inu will go down? Do y'all understand that? I want to know, do y'all clearly understand that? I know some of y'all that's already in private stock market game group. I know y'all do, because y'all been rocking with me for a while now. But I'm saying, like, we got over 9,000, new subscribers in a short period of time. So for a lot of y'all, I'm asking this question. Do y'all understand that people are making money on the back end betting that she will go down? So it's in their best interest to hold the price down. Every time the price comes up, they sell it off, sell it off, sell it off. Why? Because they make money when the price falls. So I want y'all to, understand that. So we could find support here again at that 48 range. I just keep throwing bags right there. Every time we get in that range and we get in that buy zone, that demand zone, I just drop a bag right there, because I know eventually we'll be above these highs. And this right now is going to seem cheap compared to what the price will be in the future. So I'm trying to tell y'all now. We still have our bullish flag forming. We got a nice little breakout right there that we called yesterday. But actually, it's right here. So that was from the 11th. So that we call that breakout on the 11th. We seen some resistance. It pushed down, and then we seen a nice little spike up to test that resistance, 56.18 earlier, a little bit ago. So we're on a 1 hour chart. So maybe a few hours ago, about, let's see how many candlesticks, because you can easily calculate what time period it was by just counting the candlesticks. So if we are on the 1 hour chart, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours ago is when we seen the price hit that resistance and start to trade downward. Now, hopefully, the fact that we broke through and hit that resistance, we can find this new area as a support right here where we are, and the price continues to move up and we break that resistance and we trade, in higher levels. So that's what I'm hoping to see, during the short time. But really, it doesn't matter to me, because Shiba Inu is a 5-year game plan or longer for me. Honestly, today it just became a 10-year for me. And I'm gonna show y'all why. Somebody that I was looking forward to becoming a part of the Shiba Army has officially joined us, and this is major news for me. If y'all have been in crypto, for a while, then y'all will understand, how beastie this is right here. So we come to the Shib Reddit, page. We got 426,000 members right now, constantly growing. More and more people are becoming aware. So members saying Shib is moving, buckle up. There's a petition for Shiba to be listed in Bitbank in Japan. Shiba Army, do your thing. So this is already at almost 1,500 signatures on there. So if y'all want to find that article, you can come to the Reddit page and get that signed. Some members just saying we're on a roller coaster ride, which I definitely agree with. Like, that's why I told y'all the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Now, that's a quote from Warren Buffett. What that means is, you can think that, you can hold longer. Basically, the market can act crazy longer than you can diamond hand. So to just be prepared, to hold long term if it's something that you truly believe in, because those weekend warriors, those jumping in looking to hit a home run overnight, You know, this is not that. This is a device to transfer money from the hands of the impatient to the patient. So if you're one of them people jumping in, you know, looking to try to get a 48-hour turnaround, 72-hour turnaround, you know, 2-week turnaround, you know, and I'm talking about knocking it out the park, you could probably see some gains within 2 weeks. But some of the expectations I see some of y'all have within a 2-week time frame is just unrealistic. So let's see. Someone said, in my opinion, if you are holding more than 10 million Shiba, you are a whale. You can't deny that one. So this person said it's disappointing. So he said, I feel a little bad for pushing my friends so hard to invest in Shiba in light of the current price hemorrhage. Now they're convinced that they made the wrong decision. I hope they don't make the mistake of selling. I feel like Shib will spike again sometime soon. So this is somebody who just, you know, FOMO'd, you know, or possibly had their friends and family FOMO in without watching my channel. If you watch my channel, I teach y'all technical analysis. I teach y'all how to use your Fibonacci retracement tool to identify key support levels to know when to buy the dip. My students are making a killing just by using this information. Now, of course, there's, you know, it gets a little bit deeper. There's more and more information involved in it, you know, as you take the course, but the channel is teaching y'all everything you need to know, you know, for free 99. Again, all this information is out here free, you know, over the internet, but you have to, you know, put the effort in to find it, you know. Now, if you want to find it in one place, you can reach out to me for the course and get that. So this is a lot of y'all know DaVinci J15. I just call him DaVinci. Not sure what his real name is, but he's one of the early investors into Dogecoin that, you know, was telling everybody early on.
Market, but it isn't. We've got a long way to go.
Or excuse me,
I've invested in a coin that I really think is going to do extremely well when we hit the top. And that is, it's going to blow your mind, Shiba Inu. Now, I know you're thinking, what the hell are you talking about? People love to buy.
I'm not sure if he was early on Dogecoin, but I know it was Bitcoin. Right? He made a video that went viral, you know, 10 years later, telling people, you know, buy at least $1 worth of Bitcoin. So I had the volume muted right there. So let's run this back real quick. So really, if he's in, I know this is something that can be, you know, 10 years plus.
We've got a long way to go. And I've invested in a coin that I really think is going to do extremely well when we hit the top. And that is, it's going to blow your mind, Shiba Inu. Now, I know you're thinking, what the hell are you talking about? People love to buy meme coins. They're cute, they're cool, right? And you can always buy them really, really low and watch them go to the moon.
So right there, you know, that's a good sign, you know, that DaVinci joined us. You know, if he's telling us to grab something, you know, it's not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, do your own research. But, you know, that's a very good sign, man. So this person, you know, here, Greg showing saying, I wish I had kept my 1,700 Bitcoin at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Now they're $8 a Bitcoin. This was May 16th, 2011. So that's what I'm trying to show y'all, that, you know, it's all about diamond hands. Sometimes you have to, you know, open the scope and look further out and, you know, turn into a 10-year investment plan. Maybe in 1 year it won't do what you needed to do or what you expected to. Maybe in 3 years it won't, but maybe 5, 6 years, 7 year, 8, 9, 10, man, it can be, you know, at prices that you never imagined. You just have to give the market, the technology, you know, the sentiment, the you know, and the education, you know, the chance to catch up and, you know, basically create the perfect formula, you know, to take your investment to basically to the moon. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. Hit me up if y'all want to get the course, and we are out.